Hey Celebrators, I'm getting ready for the #1 healing game that I play every single morning. If you have a shower and you have 5 minutes and you want to totally switch your state of being from feeling half dead, tired, depressed, to feeling energized, strong, clear-headed, it actually helps reduce my pain. I would say 9 times out of 10 can get the pain down 20% with just this healing game. What it essentially is we're combining a very special breathing technique with the cold exposure and some specific body movements that all together in combination is activating the nervous system and the immune system, waking it up and keeping it strong, almost like lifting weights for a bicep. Like it just bolsters the immune system. And this is all based on the science and research backed up from Wim Hof. So it's basically Wim Hof's research in practice with a few twists on it that has increased its effectiveness by 2 times for me. So I'm going to show the steps go over right now, which is very simple. Hop in the shower. I'll start with putting it on super hot. And then first get into 10 breaths and counting down. Like deep inhales. Literally like be counting down while in a power position. Cortisol down, testosterone up. I'm in there and I'm focusing on that 10 breaths, 10 deep ones, 10 to 1. Part of this whole training in the morning, this little healing game, getting the reins on your horse, which is our minds that are always like, and if I find myself thinking, go back to 10. I start back to 10 until I get a clear holding the focus, like a meditation of 10 deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Now we're moving to more of the Wim Hof breathing technique. You can learn more about how Wim Hof talks about doing this, but the main thing is that we want to do 30 breaths, counting down, 30, 29 deep breaths. Now, what we want to do now is actually hold our breath for a minute or more in the cold. Now, the whole game here is by the time we got down to 1, you want to be in such a restful state that using your mind, your body, focusing on keeping all those muscles relaxed. So it's really a mental toughness workout. As we're holding our breath the whole time, you just keep thinking about your muscles and realizing they keep trying to tense. So the goal is, how do I keep relaxing them, letting your body just be loose while that cold water is coming down on your face, the forehead, the back of the neck. Once you get to at least a minute of holding your breath, then you breathe in and you hold it for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds after that inhale, you just want to try to get back to breathing normally. Now I'm just cranking the shower off, ending on cold. Alright, let's jump in the shower and we'll do the demo. Ow, it's hot. Alright. Alright, I'm going to start working on, I'll get into the Wim Hof breathing technique. 30 countdown breaths. Switching now, and one last breath after that. Usually after, I'll pop on one more power pose, and I'll do a hyperventilation breath to change from kind of the slower deep breaths. I feel clear. I feel good. Doing this every single morning when I wake up. This healing game is absolutely 100% standard. Last thing I want to say, thank you. I feel excited to create content knowing that you're here and big positive impact we can make on others by creating this content. So thank you again for your support. Let's get healing so it can keep celebrating.